Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. It's got a really exciting video for you all. I'm going to be vlogging and I'm actually going shopping and yeah, I'm going on my own. I love shopping on my own. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. So this is my leopard print coat from Miss Selfridge. My top's from Zara ages ago and my skirt is from River Island. It's like a blue boucle tweed one, and then my shoes from Steve Madden. I'm wearing some tights from M&S. And I got a lot of them tights. I'll get my mum to film an overview, but yeah, I'm going shopping and I'm really excited. Also, I love my eye makeup. These are TGH lashes, but it's poking me eye, so it's coming off a bit at the front and it's really annoying me, but oh well. And my sister is sitting on my duvet and it's annoying me. It's better lighting. Oh god, my eyes. So we're in the car now and shut up, Alice, and my eyelash is really stinging my eye and I'm gonna have to take it off, but I can't because it will look really weird without lashes. But yeah, I'm on my way. Okay, so it's a bit weird, it's like quickly like changed places, but I came back from shopping because basically oh god, look at me, I'm a mess. Basically, I have a little story time. Hang on. So I was in Blue Water and I wasn't going to vlog because I was like, you know, I'm not going to upload this vlog anyway. Because I was like, I'm not confident enough to vlog yet in public, on my, especially because I'm on my own. And literally everyone was staring at me. And when I mean everyone, these girls were pointing at me, laughing at me. And they weren't even girls, they were about 20. And it's just disgusting because obviously I'm younger and it's just like, what the hell. And it's not like I had like my normal lashes on, I took them off now because I was crying. This is what I mean, you're like, how are you so confident? I usually am. It's really weird because I usually get stares when I go out, but like 4 or 5, but everyone, like, they're going, that's me, and like, I was just like, what the hell are you doing? And it's not like I was wearing anything really bizarre or anything. I was just wearing this top, tights with my tweed skirt and my leopard print coat, so maybe it was a bit bizarre, but it's my outfit. Maybe I just didn't. I need to be somewhere like Bond Street in London, really, because no one cares if it's like, because I dress quite poshly. I don't really like have any expensive clothes, obviously, like Miss Selfridge, Zara, River Island. Like, I'm not saying like I have posh clothes because I don't know, like high street, but like I dress quite poshly, and where I live isn't the most poshest place ever. It's not like really bad. Well, around near where I live is really like chavvy, but where I actually live isn't really, like my road and that. But I was going in my local shopping centre. That's not really like bad. My town centre's bad. I never go there anymore. But I don't know. It really annoys me. I just don't fit in. I just need to be in like LA or something, because then everyone wears like whatever they want, like as much jewels as they want or anything. But I feel crap and I don't know how I'm gonna cheer myself up now, but it's alright. And I've ruined my makeup. I actually really liked it and the lashes were really nice, but obviously I pulled them off because yeah. But I don't know, I've sold quite a lot of my things because I'm buying my first designer thing not next week, the week after, because we're going to Bond Street then, me and my mum. But yeah, I thought I'd just upload this vlog anyway. I probably will still vlog, but it just made me feel like poo. And I was going to do a full face testing Revolution video, but I got in there and they didn't have the concealer in stock, and then they didn't have the foundation. I was like, you know what, there's no point. And then I was like, everyone's staring at me, so I was like, let's go in Zara. And I got so annoyed with this girl because she thought I went to her like that, because she really annoyed me. But yeah, what can cheer me up? The thing is, like, what usually cheers me up is shopping, and that went a bit wrong, so maybe I should online shop. I'm going to have beauty and maybe I can order like a full face of Revolution. But yeah, I was really happy as well before I went. I was like, I'm feeling this outfit, I'm feeling it. But I guess not everyone else was feeling it. I just had a little cry to my mum. Oh well, that's fine. I'm gonna probably, oh yeah, a little update. I've sold, all of you are probably like really confused, but I've actually sold my, oh god, look at that mess. Like, can we not? So I'm actually doing some online shopping now, but I can't go in Tan Beauty because my what's it called? The Apple Mac is so old. Like we've had it since I was about 6 or 7, or I don't know, but something like that. And it's really old. It doesn't let you go on some websites, so like Cult Beauty and Tan Beauty, because I couldn't remember, but no, it doesn't. So I'm going on Superdrug, and hopefully they'll have the concealer on here. So let's have a little check. I spelled Revolution wrong. Revolution, that's it. Let me see. Please have it, please. I'm gonna be so heartbroken. Right, it'll be new, wouldn't it? Yes, they have it, they have it. Oh, they have it, they have it. Don't know why I'm doing that, but what shade would I be? Hang on, I'm gonna put you down here. Okay, so I'm gonna go see what shade I should be. Oh yeah, I didn't explain to you what happened. Basically, my pink sunset eye makeup tutorial, if you haven't seen it, go check it because it's up now. But I uploaded it and it kept, YouTube kept like, it must have been a glitch putting it on private. But I think my mum fixed it because I hasn't done it for a while since she fixed it, so that's good. And what they called Alice! She's playing Fortnite. Revolution Concealer. What should I call this vlog, like? Failed shopping, so I went online shopping instead. No, I'm joking. Okay, right, let's look at the shades. I'm gonna show you. So these are the shades. I think I'm gonna go with C1, you know, because it's like really light, so I'm definitely gonna go with C1. Yeah, but apparently these only last like hardly any time. The shade range in this is amazing. I mean, there's really not that many colours, but at least, look, really pale, medium to dark, and then really dark. Like, that's amazing how dark they go and how light they go. Like, really, really light and really, really dark. Like, that just is amazing. Revolution, you're doing something right, my loves. I don't know why I just said that. All right, let's add that to my basket. Add to my basket. I'm so happy I'm finally gonna get it. Oh, it's so exciting. Oh, what else should I get? Okay, I'll be right back soon. Okay, so I thought it'd be a bit better quality like this, but is the camera shaking? Yep, the camera's shaking. Brilliant. Fun times with summer. Why is the bloody camera shaking? Oh, is that helped? Is that shaking still? Okay, no. Oh, that'd do. Okay, right. Hang on, is it shaking? No, we have to deal. I'll get motion sickness. So I've got the concealer. I need a foundation. Hang on, do you think I'll get a foundation? Do they even have foundations? I swear they're coming out them stick ones, but I don't think they've actually launched yet. Oh, please have a foundation or something. Right, foundation. Yeah, look, here you go. Yes, they do, but they're all out of stock. Oh, F6, F2. Please have F1, please have F1. No! I'm fuming. What if... Oh, look, please. I really want it to be in stock. Why is it not in stock? Why? I'm actually really annoyed, by the way. I don't know why I'm so annoyed. Okay, that's annoyed me. Okay, now we're going to do... Oh, I really, really want one of these. I'm so annoyed, guys. Alright, let's just do powder. Right, where's powder? Is powder not a thing? Apparently, Revolution don't do powder. Yep, they do, I'm blind. I'm going to get like the cheap powder. No, not that one, because I have no money. No, I'm joking, I have money. Okay, setting powder, here it is. Let's just get lace. It's only a £5. I mean, might as well. It might be really good, you never know. What are the reviews like? So I've just had like a little look through, but now I think I don't know if I want to do like MUA. I was going to do Revolution, but I don't know, help me. I've done like a poll on Instagram. Obviously it's going to be too late by now. But I don't know what I'm going to do. Someone help me. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so the poll's been up for about 15 minutes and it's already got 31 people voted Revolution and 4 people who voted anyway, so but I'm not sure if I want to do like a full face of revolution. I think I'm going to do like a test in the foundation, because I'm acting like I have no money. I actually have quite a lot of money saved up. Obviously not trying to brag, it's all my own money. I literally earn my own money. I don't, except for my pocket money I get, and it's all my money. Before everyone like goes, it's actually like, oh, you get money, you're spoiled. I'm not. I spoil myself. You're allowed to spoil yourself. You're allowed to do that. But I don't know. But also, people have been asking why I keep selling my things, and I've actually sold quite a few things, but I'm selling them because I want to have money to buy new things that I want to use. And I know it's hard because I'm a collector, but I just need to get rid of these things. And I've actually sold my Very Discreet Acne Cleanser. I don't really care about that because I've got one going at the moment that's lasting forever, so I've sold that anyway. And then I sold my Moonchild palette, my Modern Renaissance palette, and my Desert Dusk palette, only because I don't use them. And why? I don't think I should keep them if... But yeah. Depop are ridiculous. That palette sold for 37 and I only got to keep £31 of it because Depop fees. Like, yeah, I know Depop have got to make money somehow, but don't take the P. You don't need to take that much money away from me. It's ridiculous, honestly. But I'm like literally wandering around trying to find things to sell because I want money. I want money. I sound like one of them aggressive people, don't I? That like, I need money. But oh, also we're going to Paris definitely, but we're going to New York after Christmas now, because when I go to New York, I want to have lots of money to spend, and we're going to be going a couple of months after I go to Paris, and I would have spent all my money in Paris, because you know what I'm like. So there'd be no point. I would have had like £80 for New York, and that's really not enough when you think of it. So we've decided we're going to go in January instead, probably. But it's still not definite, but yeah, we definitely probably are, if that makes sense. And then, you know, like after Christmas it's all depressing, it'd be good because we've got like a trip to look forward to, and then it's not as depressing. But yeah. What was I going to say? I don't know. What was I going to do? I'm genuinely just walking around, like, looking. Oh, God. You know what, I do need more clothes as well. I really want to do, like, a test in a clothing website, but I'm not sure. Because I just have this problem with spending money. Is it just me? Right, so when you have, like, say about £70, you'll just spend it like that. You'll spend it like that. Or, because you're like, oh, I need that. But when you have, like, over, like, 200, you're like, I don't want to spend it. It's really weird though, because you'd think that the less you'd have, the more you'd want to not spend it, because it's more quicker to go. But it's just weird. I've always been like that. If I literally have £30, I'll spend it all, and if I have like 300, I'll be like, no, I'm not buying anything, I don't need to go. It's a weird thing. It's a weird thing. I have no charge hardly. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know why I'm walking around my room. Anyway, shut up, so goodbye. So it's actually much later now, and I decided to just save my money in the end, but my mum and sister are going to a gala now, a swimming gala thing, Bob, and my mum, this is what I just said, you just cooked me dinner. Do you want to say hello?
Huh?
Just say hello.
Oh, hello.
Right. What? Don't be me. Yeah, I got the weirdest dinner ever. All I eat is potatoes, so look. Potatoes and cheese. You gotta love potatoes and cheese. I might be filming a video of my dad tonight, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I'm gonna be home alone till quite late, and I'm a bit scared. Like, I don't really care about being home alone, but just like when it's dark, you know, I'm weird. I am weird. So I'm going to sit down, eat my dinner, and hopefully get this video up tonight. This video. Also, who wants me to make a vlog channel? Because I would vlog and do main channel. Do you think I should make a separate vlog channel as well?
No.
Why? Because then I could do vlogs on that one and then upload.
Yeah, but you'll get more if it's all together. And I think if people want to watch you, they'll just watch that one channel if you mix it with vlogs, and then...
Nice.
That's what you should do too.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye. I don't know what I'm even meant to be saying really. I'm just trying to do this vlog longer.
Right, can you tell Daddy?
Oh, he's so cute. Look. What you got there, princess? What you got there? What am I doing? It's actually like nearly 5, so I've got to try and upload this video 4 or 5. And hopefully they don't make my video private like it did before. God, look at me. I look at my right mess. Look at my contour. Look at my lipstick. This is a look It's really not. What the hell? Like, I need to sort my ugly face out properly. But I'm going to do some online shopping. And I've got my card. By the way, before you say, oh my god, you have your mum's card. You can have a debit card from when you're 11, so. And I'm 13, and I've had it since I was 11, so. You're so precious. Chip. Why are you so precious? Why are you so precious? Why are you so precious, baby boy? But yeah, I'm going to end the video here now, and I really, really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if it was a bit boring, I don't know. But yeah, I love you so much. Bye.